The ISIL or ISIS armed group has announced that its leader Abu Hassan al-Hashmi al-Qureshi has been killed in a battle without elaborating on it further. The spokesman Abu Umar al-Muhajir named its new leader as Abu al-Hussein al-Husseini al-Qureshi. A spokesman for the group said on Wednesday that Abu Hassan al-Hashmi al-Qureshi, an Iraqi, died in combat without elaborating on the date or circumstances of his death. He urged the Islamic State members in all countries to pledge allegiance to the new leader, adding that he is one of the loyal sons of the Islamic State. The US military Central Command said that Hashmi had been killed in an operation carried out by rebels in the Free Syrian Army in Dara province in southern Syria in mid-October. It hailed his death as another blow to the jihadists. A US-led military coalition launched an operation dubbed Inherent Resolve in 2014 to get ISIL out of the areas it controlled. Abu Hassan al-Hashmi al-Qureshi is the second ISIL leader to be killed since founder Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi was killed in Syria's Idlib by the US in 2019. Talking about Abu Hassan al-Hashmi al-Qureshi's death, a US military spokesperson said that no US military troops were involved in the operation. The White House welcomed the news of his death but would not comment on any US involvement in the operation that led to the killing. We are pleased to see the removal of ISIS leaders in such quick succession, White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre said. The United States remains committed to countering the global threat from ISIS and stands ready to work with international partners. Hassan Hassan, author of a book on ISIL, told the Reuters news agency that the group was diminished. Islamic State's brutal rule, during which it killed and executed thousands of people in the name of its narrow interpretation of Islam, came to an end in Mosul when Iraqi and international forces defeated the group there in 2017.